Okay guys, we are here back at the bench with the green. So I mounted this and it's actually purple. It looked like in some of the other video that I had when I was building up the guard it looked blue because probably the LED lights I had over there, but this is a purple pearl on the white. So I shot some video while mounting this pickguard, which I showed the full build-up of in the last video for those that wanted to know how it's done by me. And I lost the video that I was taking while I was putting this together and putting some strings on it, which everybody's seen before anyway. So it was a cleanup, and I cleaned up the stuff that I hadn't used yet. Anyway, so here we are. We're on our Basic 65 Deluxe. Now this pickup here was the one in the Lightning, so this one we've heard before. It sounds like this. Got nice output. Now this is the new Wilkinson's, the middle. Good output, right? Almost matches that bridge. Right to the neck. They're the same value, just a bit warmer because of the position. So let's go back down and go to the second position, which will be these two now, the mix. No tone. So just a little bit warmerness of this one, bringing this, what's this? This is 8 or 11, I can't remember. I'll put it on screen. These are 5, 6 something, 5, 6 zeros, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5s. Okay, position 4, these two. Middle, 4, 5. So there's good strong output from all the pickups. Clearer, a little bit higher output than normal, what I've seen on other ones, because I put 500K pots in here and treble bleed circuits. So I've got 2 volumes. They can now be mixed. So when you go to position 2, and if you turn that volume down, which is for these 2 pickups, still just the bridge, right? And then you can bring up the middle. So that's what you can do with this one. The tone, 22 cap, plenty good enough. So that's the basic 65 as before, still 2.5 over there, no difference. Now, when let's try something. This is a 65 Deluxe. Let's try the basic twin reverb set the same way. Lower. Probably has a higher impedance input on that one. And then we've got basic Princeton. Sounds a lot like the twin to me. Okay, so I am going to jump up to here, and I'm going to give you just a taste of something I'm working on that this guitar and the Kramer will be used in coming up. I missed that at the end. So this is the result of no back cover yet. The neck on this is really great. This is the end result, and I love the white with the purple. The neck is so smooth. I put the Wilkinson Easy Lock tuners on this. I don't use them that way, but I use the luthier's knot. So this is really great. The blade switch is so smooth. Love it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one, and I appreciate your support.